Hi, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about your math before you get started. And so we are going to go, and I'm going to be sharing my screen with you, a little bit different than what I've done before. So we are going to go straight to that so you can see what that will look like when you get to your math page. So as you can see, this page is called Repeated Addition for Equal Groups. So you are going to be writing some repeated addition number sentences for each group, okay? So that's what we're going to be doing first. So we have to remember, what is repeated addition? Repeated addition is adding equal groups together. As you can see in each of these, they are equal groups. There are only three in this one, three here, three here, but they all have the same amount in each group. If you go over to this square, you have 4 in this circle, 4 in this circle, 4 in this circle, and 4 in this circle. So with repeated addition, it gets us ready to do multiplication. How do we do this one? Well, you need to write a repeated addition number sentence. I'm going to show you that right now. So you count how many are in each individual group. Remember, these are equal groups, and you write that down. 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to write 3 plus, remember, this is addition. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3. Then you have your equal sign, and then you add that together. 3 plus 3 is 6. Add 3 more, that is 9. That is how you show repeated addition for equal groups. I'm going to get you started on the next one. I think most of you understand this now. Remember, repeated addition is not exactly multiplication. Multiplication is a different function. This is just getting you to see in your mind what multiplication is going to be heading towards, but I don't want you to think that repeated addition is multiplication. It's a little bit different, and some people may say it's the same, but it's not. So I just want you to realize that repeated addition will give you the same results as what multiplication would do, but it's not the same thing. So I just want to make sure you know that. But repeated addition is the easiest way to get you ready to progress towards multiplying. So let's go to this next one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, repeated addition, you are adding together the amount that is found in equal groups. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Make sure you always put your equal sign. And I'm not going to put the answer down on it this time. I'm going to let you add all those together. But as you can see, you are going to be doing the same thing that we did on the box here, where we added 3 groups, 3 equal groups together of 3 each in each equal group. 3 plus 3 plus 3 was 9. Now you're going to do the same thing. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals, and then I'm going to let you come up with the answer. Remember, repeated addition is adding equal groups together, which eventually will lead you to the concept of multiplying. But don't get confused and think that they're exactly the same thing. Okay, we're going to go back now, and we're going to look what we're going to be doing on this second page. Now, as you can see, this, if we were in class, we would be using spinners and doing it that way. We don't have these to use as spinners. So the way I'm going to have you do it is to choose different numbers to use in each thing and then color those amounts in. So as you can see, they've already done a repeated addition sentence using the number 4. So they drew 1, 2, 3, 4 beans, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 beans plus 1, 2, 3, 4 beans, which equaled 12 beans altogether. So if I wanted to, as you can see, there's lots of different jars that you're going to be filling here. But since I've already used the 4, then I am going to put an X here to show I've already used the 4. Let's say we're going to use 2 this time. So I am going to draw my funny looking beans, 2 in each jar, because remember that that's a funny looking bean. I would say that's a funny looking bean. There's another one. Maybe you can draw your beans a little bit nicer than my beans, but you know, it's just the idea. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals, and then have your equal sign. And then you're just adding 3 of those equal groups together. 2 plus 2 is 4. If you add 2 more to that, that is 6. Then I'll go up here and mark off the 2 because I've already used the 2. Then you can choose which number to use next as you are making more repeated addition sentences. Okay, now let's go to the last page. This is page number 3. It says match the fact, match the multiplication number sentences to the groups. Now this is the first time that we have looked at multiplication number sentences. So you're going to have to look carefully at how many circles are in each individual equal group. So let's look at this one first. I can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I can say, write a 6 down right there. Or actually, I'm going to put it right there. So there's 6 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I have 2 equal groups that have, I'm going to erase that have 6 in each group. Which of these multiplication number sentences, which one of these would go with this problem? First, I have to say, how many groups did I have? As you can see, I had 2 groups. So I know there are 2 groups, right? And how many were in each individual group? There were 6. So can you see somewhere over here? Well, there's one with 2, but they only had 2 in each. That one doesn't work either. There were 2, but it looks like there were 9 times 2. Oh, here looks like a promising one. 2 times 6. I think that's right because there were 2 groups, so I could put down 2. Remember, now we get to use the multiplication symbol, which is an X, 2 times, and how many were in each group? We decided and counted carefully that there were 6. So 2 groups of 6 multiplied, we know altogether that that was 12. Now, if you just want to double check as you are learning your multiplication facts, you could go back, and we already know there's 6 there, and say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have that correct. 2 times 6 equals 12. Now, since I already have that one done, I'm going to come over here and put a little check mark to show that I've already used that one, so I won't be using that again. You are going to be doing the same thing with the rest of these. So you'll first do what I did, count how many is in each individual equal group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember, even though we know that they're equal groups, it's still good just to see in your mind what's there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we know that there are 5 in each of the groups, the equal groups, but how many equal groups are there? There are 1, 2, 3. So we know that there are 3 equal groups, and in each group there are 5. I'm not going to help you with this one. I'm going to let you look over here and find it on your own. Good luck doing this today. I know that you will do a great job here. And isn't Class Kick a great tool to use? I am happy that we have it. So there you go. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you did with your math today.